How to stop snoring, 18 tricks to try. 1. Keep your nostrils clear. You can buy nasal dilators that go into your nostrils to prevent them collapsing, or nasal strips that stick to the outside of your nose and hold your nostrils open. It's also worth seeing a doctor to check whether a medical problem such as nasal polyps is contributing to your narrow nostrils. 2. Keep your mouth closed. What you can do is buy a device that will keep it closed, such as a chin strap. 3. Move your jaw forward. Any issue that could be causing sleep apnea needs to be dealt with straight away. But keeping your jaw still all night is easier said than done. Many tongue snorers are given a mandibular advancement device MAD, which brings their lower jaw forward to keep their tongue away from their airways. You can't just walk into a shop and buy one, so you'll need to see a doctor about this. 4. Lose weight. Being overweight or obese makes snoring much more likely. A healthy diet and regular exercise is the best way to maintain a healthy weight. 5. Eat a smaller portion. Not only will eating larger portions all the time make it more likely that you'll put on weight, a full stomach puts pressure on your chest muscles and makes it difficult for you to breathe normally while you're asleep. Try eating a smaller evening meal, or eat more slowly so that you have a better idea of when you're actually full. 6. Try the tennis ball trick. Snoring is often more likely if you sleep on your back, particularly if you're a tongue snorer. One trick is to sew a tennis ball into the pocket of an old t-shirt and wear it back to front. 7. Avoid alcohol before bed. Alcohol causes your muscles to relax. This means you'll have less control over your tongue and throat muscles, so they'll probably vibrate more than usual when you breathe in and out. The faster the vibration, the louder you'll snore. 8. Don't smoke. Smoking irritates the lining of your airways and causes a buildup of mucus that means air flows less freely. Of course, this is bad for your breathing generally, not just when you're asleep. 9. Treat your allergies. Treating these allergies will give you a better chance of a quieter night, but some antihistamines may come with side effects that disrupt sleep in other ways. It's best to discuss this with a doctor to choose the best option for you. 10. Be careful with sleeping tablets. If you're really having trouble with insomnia, it's worth seeing a doctor to check if there's an underlying cause. Treating this will mean you won't need medication to get to sleep and can remove one possible cause of snoring. 11. Change your pillow. A good pillow should align your head with your spine. When it comes to snoring, this could help stop your airways from narrowing or becoming blocked. 12. Try an air humidifier. Dry air can irritate your throat and nose, causing swelling that leads to snoring. An air humidifier is far from the cheapest option on this list, but if your snoring is really causing problems, it's worth testing out. 13. Don't eat dairy. While there haven't been any clear studies as yet, there's plenty of anecdotal evidence that suggests dodging dairy in the hours before bedtime can help deal with snoring. 14. Eat a pineapple. Your favorite tropical fruit is one of the best natural sources of bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties. This could help clear your blocked sinuses, which would stop your sinuses from becoming blocked in the first place. 15. Do some throat exercise. Just like training in the gym can build up muscles in your arms and legs, a few vocal exercises can help strengthen your throat. A popular trick is to repeat the vowel sounds for a couple of minutes before bed every night. 16. Sing. Don't fancy repeating vowel sounds to yourself? That's fair enough. Why not get the same results from belting out your favorite tune instead? 17. Stay hydrated. This doesn't mean you have to drink lots of water before bed. All you need to do is stay well hydrated throughout the day, which will prevent your airways becoming dried out and sticky. 18. Ask your family. If you know that other people in your family snore, ask them what they did to help them stop snoring. See you a doctor to stop your snoring. Best Snoring Treatment Program. Click link in my description to find more.